Hi friends, welcome back my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's prediction 3 September 2022. Previous result 8, 12, 17, 24, 36. 8 matched, 12, 17. This one passed, on to 10 on number passed. Today's on to 10, 5, 9 and 10. 11 to 20, 11, 14, 15, 17, 18 and 19. 21 to 30, 21, 23, 25 and 26. 31 to 40, 31, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. 41 to 49, 43, 44, 45, 46 and 48. Every time I prediction 24 number. This is my 24 number prediction Mahzooz. Previous result 12, 17, 36. Maybe one number repeat. This draw 2 over 3 lane number have. 2 lane no number. If you selecting time, select number continuous. For example 8, 9, 36, 37, 38. Continuous number. Another one example 5, 10, 17, 43, 44. Continuous number. Here 3 continuous number, here 2 continuous number. Select like this. Another chance for this table. For example 5, 14, 25, 34 and 44. 5, 14, 25, 34, 44. See the table 5, 25, 5, 25, 14, 34, 44, 14, 34, 44. This also chance to this draw. One more example 10, 17, 37, 38 and 39. 17, 37 and continuous 37, 38, 39. Also chance this draw. One more chance 9, 10, 15, 19, 21. One number gap. Here continuous. Also chance this. I already said 2 or 3 row no number, and 36, 37, 38, 39. This is main number. Don't select this number, only this number for example. Your number selecting time, choose this. Again tell, don't select this number, this for only example. Thanks for watching. Good luck all of you.